Now we're going to do the fill coat. So to prepare, we'll clean twice. I've already vacuumed the dust off. Now I'm going to snag some acetone. See if I can get the lid off. Come on. There we are. That's enough. Just wipe this down. Hygiene is very important once you get to the fill and finish coat stages. So my trash, it's the trash for the Chad board. Okay, so I've wiped that down. Now I'm gonna put my tape on. Now when you're doing the fill coat, start with your deck first, then move to your bottom. This one is a little bit more challenging because we have those channels there. So first of all, I'm going to go halfway up so that when I come back to do my finish coat, I can go a little bit further. Where is my ding on that side? I need to turn this up. There we are. Oh, what the hell? Spider web this. Oh, there's the ding. So we're gonna turn that up like that. Make sure that's down nice and hard. Okay. Now comes the fun part. Ah, this is annoying. So I think I'm gonna start at the middle there. I'm gonna follow this edge. Alright. And then okay. Hey Google, send message. Hey Google, broadcast.
What's the message?
I need about 7 more minutes.
Okay, broadcasting now.
All right. Complex tape job. Okay. So the resin is going to come down here, hit the tape, and drip down. It's not going to run under the board. Very important to do that.
Okay.
All right. Now, the next thing, get rid of that. Next thing I want to do is, now that I put that tape in, as you can see, I've been touching it. Of course, you should wear gloves so the oils from your fingers don't get on the board. But you know what? I find like, hey, I'm just going to be cleaning it again once I hit this stage anyways. So, acetone. Okay. I do this last because by the time I've mixed up the resin, all the acetone should have been evaporated. Oops, I want to save that garbage. I like to calculate how much garbage I've used when I do things. I hate waste. Okay, another important step, take some tape, take your brush, make sure you get any loose hairs and dust off. Look at that. Rubbish. That's what you get when you buy cheap. Good enough. Okay, we're gonna mix resin now. And we don't need that much. Hello, scale. There we go. I'll just do 20 grams. Something like that. Let's see. Boom! Look at that. So close. I've got this down to an art. So 47% of 20 would be 9.4. So I'm going to call it 10 grams of hardener. This one I don't think I'll get. Yeah. Close. There we are. So, hey Google, set a timer for 2 minutes.
Got it. 2 minutes. And that's starting now.
Like you're doing a full board, then yeah. But I find the entropy resin doesn't seem to have much for air bubbles in it. And plus you're just basically brushing everything out anyways. Hey Google, stop timer. Okay, we're at our 2 minutes. So now all we're gonna do is come across. Whoa, I got that right. Okay, so I'm just going to go one side to the other side like this. Okay, and I'm gonna paint it up. And then I'm gonna go the other way. This is just to make sure you get it everywhere. Now I'm gonna take with the rest of the resin, and I'm just gonna flow it all the way along. Looks like I didn't get that other corner. Oops, might have just got some on the ground. Okay, and now I'm just gonna brush it all down. When you come back up, go over the unbrushed area so that you don't drip onto the area you've already brushed. And Bob's your uncle.